Move a patient higher up in bed using sliding material and a pull strap. Start by folding the double layer sliding material in 10 cm wide folds. Place the sliding material under the neck area to reduce friction. Grab the fold facing downwards and simultaneously pull from both sides. This is repeated until the sliding material is unfolded fully. By using this technique, the sliding material is unfolded onto the skin rather than pulled against the skin. This reduces the shear effect and protects the skin. By elevating the foot end, the movement towards the head end is made easy by gravity. Bend one leg at a time and initiate movement. If the user is heavy or the mattress is very soft, using a pull strap can be very helpful. Here we use a master grip. When you want to remove the master grip, make room by bending the knee and fold master grip under the leg. When you want to remove the sliding material, simply fold it into itself and pull the fold from the opposite side. Push into the fold and finally pull the bottom layer. For further information, go to mastercare.dk or call us. We're ready to help you.